And then again, wasn't really trusting it down here, but I knew this was the bottom of the range. However, I wanted to see more proof of concept. So we already went over this. Flipped long right here. Because look, 120 VWAP, level 9, the 9 EMA, and then the 10 SMA. So I flipped long. Wait, not right here. Not right here, but right here. After I seen us open and then break above this chop, that's when I flipped long. Decent size too. And again, like that little washout I caught right there, plus this move back up here to the upside with decent size has been damn near like one of my best days to date. Now, not to say that it's the most gains I ever made in one day. Hold on, let me see what I was doing. I was basically, as you can see right there, I was zooming out to see where we had more room to run to. And I guess my next little level I'm looking to get to is up here, the 129. You see? I zoomed out, right? I'm looking at it like, all right, this looks like a significant level. We washed out, market open, tried to bounce, cracked, came down here, spread the green, then bounced, chopped around here, was acting as resistance, then became support, support, tried to hold that support, cracked. So we're already past red to green. So I'm looking at this 129.66, it looks like, as my next price target and or an area to scale out some. So that's why you see me zooming out, like looking at the levels, seeing where we have room to run to. And then you see me kind of trying to put in some levels here just on the fly, just so I can have some, some price targets, uh, or support and or resistance. You just have to have a plan. You feel me? Like, you can't have a plan if you don't have levels. If you don't have levels, you can't have a price target, or you know what I mean. But here I'm watching it. I feel like we can get up to this one, and that's not even the level. I believe it was like 129.60 or something like that. But again, this is the 2 minute. Now I'm watching the level two and the tape. And obviously I'm feeling good about my position because look at this heat map right here. Everything's green. Only thing that isn't green yet is Amazon and Tesla. And look, Tesla's now within $1. And SOX S is -$7 at this point. So I'm feeling really good about my position. And now I seen some speed pick up on the tape. Look, if we just go back a little bit, looking at the level two, 128.6, point 6, bunch of green prints, point 0.7, point 0.8, point 0.9. Then you seen those red prints? Those are people taking profits. But look, it's just the tape was moving so fast, and I seen so many green prints that it just and now we still haven't got up to that level yet. I believe it was like 129.60. So I'm holding till at least there. What was the level? Maybe it was 80, 130. All as I know is I ended up getting out at around 130. I mean, that was a decent day for me, bro. Like I said, one of my best days this year for sure. But all in all, like one of my best days, all in all, like one of my best days on record. Because yeah, I've had days where I've made more money, like especially a few years ago when I was day trading and I was still kind of new to the markets. Yeah, I've made bigger gains on those days, but looking back on it in hindsight, I really didn't know what I was doing. So I didn't really have no clear thesis or plan or strategy. Basically like almost every new person that jumps into the markets and starts trading. So yeah, I had decent gains, huge gains, but I felt like they were more out of luck. This day right here, this day right here, it meant more to me. Yeah, the gains were decent, but it meant more to me because it made me feel like I was really getting it. Like I'm really getting it. I had I had my plan, I had my thesis, I stuck to it, you feel me, and I was successful. So, that's not luck. That's when you're starting to kind of build up some strategy and some skill.